Giraffe email verification usually fails when the verification link expires, gets filtered into spam, or the app doesn't sync your login session with your email provider. That leaves you stuck on a verification screen, even though the email was technically sent. By the end, you'll know how to fix Giraffe email verification step by step, so the link actually works and your account fully activates. First thing to check is your inbox correctly. Search for Giraffe, and also check spam, promotions, and social tabs. Verification emails often land outside the main inbox because they come from automated reward systems, not standard support addresses. If you find the email but the link doesn't open, don't keep tapping it inside the app. Copy the verification link and open it in a separate browser like Chrome or Safari. App browsers sometimes block the redirect that completes the verification. Next, request a new verification email. Old links expire or become invalid after a short time when sessions refresh in the background. When you resend it, make sure the app is fully open and you stay on the verification screen until the new email arrives. If you still don't receive anything, check whether you used the correct login method. Giraffe accounts are usually tied to either Google or Apple sign-in. If you switch between them, the verification email may go to a different account identity that doesn't match your current login. Another fix is clearing the app cache on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Giraffe, Storage, then Clear Cache. This removes broken session data that can stop the app from linking your email verification correctly. After that, reopen the app and request the email again. Also make sure your internet connection is stable when requesting verification. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data during the process can interrupt the token generation that connects your email to your account. If nothing works, reinstall the app and log in again using the same method you originally used. This forces a clean session rebuild and resets the verification process completely. Giraffe email verification issues almost always come down to expired links, wrong login method, or blocked email delivery rather than a permanent account problem. Fixing those three areas usually restores verification quickly. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fixes for Giraffe errors and reward app issues.